took a cherry and a plum. Is that even possible? If it is, I don't care. They're good.
It feels good to be home, for now that is. Today's video, I'm restocking our kitchen, and we've been so busy and non-stop on the go, I just want to regroup before the fall season comes rolling in. First, I'm restocking our mini fridge. There's nothing inside. I like to use up what's inside by taking it to our RV, using it first, and then replenish with new fresh drinks. Normally, this is Otis's job, but we've been traveling so much, and he does all the driving, I'm giving him a break.
If you guys want to know what kind of fridge this is, it's by New Air. I did a couple of sponsorships with them quite a few years ago, and it really is a good refrigerator. One side is a refrigerator, the other side is wine. I also have one outside on my patio, and we love it so much. So if you guys are looking for a good fridge, check out New Air. I know I've been a little MIA. Ever since the bathroom renovation, I needed a little bit of downtime, needed a little de-stressor. So many of you know that my husband and I purchased an RV, and we've been doing some traveling. You know, it just gives us peace. We're in that stage of our lives where we just want to travel a little bit. At that time in our lives where we just want to chill. I did a little bit of grocery shopping that I wanted to share with you guys. The cleaning, the house was kind of closed up for 2 or 3 weekends in a row. And this morning I got up early and opened up the windows. Now it's hot as all heck right now. So I closed the windows, got the air on, and I'm gonna try to put these groceries away. I'm also going to be doing a RV fridge organization on my Glamping with the Coopers channel. So if you guys wanna follow me over there, you're more than welcome. Let's get this stuff put away. If you have a Publix near you, when I tell you, oh my goodness, these are so good. Very cherry plum. The girl at the register told me is where they took a cherry and a plum and they put it together and they grow it. Is that even possible? If it is, I don't care. They're good. Did you hear that snap? When I said they're good, they're good. I mean, you may come across one or two that's, you know, a little bitter, but for the most part, they're good. They're better than snacking on Snicker bars, which is my favorite. Look, my second bag, y'all. It is so good. A cherry and a plum. A lot healthier too. Try them.
My pantry is such a disaster, you guys. It's such a disaster. I don't even want to show you guys. You see the cereal in the background, just kind of sitting there, chilling on the wrong shelf? Yeah, well, that's Otis's doing. It's in the plans for a makeover coming very soon. And believe it or not, this little bit of groceries on the counter was $90. I'm sure you all know. 90 bucks, really? We've been doing a lot of eating out less because at this point I feel like you have to take out a loan just to eat out. Well, it looks like Otis is on his way home. I've already stalked his location and I'm starting dinner because it looked like he's on his way home. He comes home like he was starving for days. How cute is this small kitchen mixer sponge holder? It's a great conversation starter, especially for the baker in your circle, and it's from Amazon. What's on the menu? Chicken and rice. But I'm being fancy by cooking it in my tangine. I've been trying new recipes and this isn't the authentic way to make it, but I'm trying. Pan-seared chicken is the perfect method for preparing juicy tender chicken in a skillet. It's sealing in all that flavor. I've added rice chicken broth to the tangine and then I put it all in the oven. You definitely do not need a tangine to cook chicken and rice, but y'all already know I'm extra.
Guys, I took off my makeup And I know you guys want a skincare routine, but I don't do anything special. I just wash my face every day and night, depending if it's really, really, you know, hot and greasy. I will wash my face again, but I always follow up with some of this. This is the 24 Gold and Collagen Firming Cream, and it's the day cream. I use it at night. I don't know what's the difference, you know. Use a very mild soap because I'm very sensitive to all types of soaps. Over the years, I've had breakouts from things that you can buy at Walmart, and my skin is very sensitive. So this is all I use. That's it.
If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you on over our Glamping with the Coopers channel. Our last trip, we boondocked at Otis's sister's house for 3 days and spent time with family and friends while visiting. And I'm sharing my tips on how we got through boondocking, yes, with no water, sewer, or electrical hookups. Even if you're not into camping, or in my case, glamping, I'm sharing a lot of tips that you could use inside of your home over on that channel. Fall is on our heels, so expect content coming soon, and I want to thank you all for watching.